Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make soy glazed meatball stir fry. It's so good, it's under 10 minutes, so if you're busy, you got home late from work, this is the perfect dish. Minimal ingredients and it's healthy for you. So if you want to learn how I make my soy glazed meatballs, please keep watching. And if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. For the recipe, we will use 2 to 3 scallions, a tablespoon of sesame seeds, 1 bell pepper, preferably the red or yellow, 1/4 cup of panko, 3 teaspoons of ponzu sauce, 2 tablespoons of sweet Thai chili sauce, 5 shredded carrots, about 2 handfuls of green beans, I'm going to say maybe 8 ounces, 4 to 5 tablespoons of sweet soy glaze. Now you can add less if you want, if you don't like your food too sweet. Lastly, about a pound of ground beef. First thing we're going to do is slice our bell pepper in thin strips, kind of like if you're making fajitas. Now, as soon as you're done with all your veggies, the bell peppers, the green onions, and the white part of the scallion, we're going to warm up the oven to about 425 degrees. Next, you want to go ahead and cut the ends of the green beans. And I like to grab a bunch at a time and just cut both ends. I was able to form about 10 meatballs. Now we're going to put it in the oven at 425 degrees for roughly about 15 minutes. Just make sure you check on them. If you like them a little more crispy, leave it another minute or two, but 15 minutes should be enough time. In a medium pan, we're going to cook our green beans for about 3 to 4 minutes. After the green beans are softened, we're going to add our bell pepper and cook it until it's brown. So about another maybe 3 minutes. Once the bell pepper is also soft, we're going to add our carrots. We're going to cook those for about 2 minutes. We just want them a little bit softened but nice. They still want to have that crisp. Once we add the sesame seeds and the butter, we're going to wait for the butter to melt. And then we're going to remove this from the heat. One thing I forgot to mention is at this step you want to add the salt and pepper to taste, since we're going to be removing it from the heat shortly. Next, we want to warm up the sweet soy glaze and chili sauce in the microwave for about 15 seconds. Now that we have warmed up our sauce, we're going to add it to our meatballs. Then we're going to coat our meatballs in our little mixture of the soy glaze and the chili sauce. Now at this point, if you like it spicy, you can add chili flakes, or you can cut up a red pepper and put it right in there, which is exactly what I'm going to do. And there you guys have it, this delicious soy glazed meatball stir fry. It's so good, it looks fancy, and it's delicious. I threw in some red peppers, and they give it just the right amount of kick. And there you have it, guys. Soy glazed meatball stir fry. I hope you guys do give this a try, as it is a delicious and super simple recipe. So if you are in a rush, 10 minutes is all you need. Again, I hope you give it a try, and as always, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.